Welcome back, guys, to another random video. We're back again with a 1971 Ford Econoline 300, and today we're going to be doing some LEDs on the grill. I bought these light strips from Amazon. They're about 10 bucks. They have a white light for day driving and also have a yellow light for the blinker, and we're going to be using these connectors or wire splitters so we can hook it up to the headlights. So in order to hook up the light to the turning signal, I traced the wire up here to these wires. I have the blinker on right now, and I have my test light, and that's the light we're going to be splicing into. On the driver's side, I was able to trace it down to this wire bundle, and same thing. You can see that that's the wire we're going to be using. We're going to be using these wire splicers, and we're going to be using the blue one. The only instructions we have is just this little side panel, which lets us know black is ground, red is AC, and yellow is for the blinker. So we're just going to splice it into the wire and we'll go from there. You never used this kind of splicer before. All it is a little clamp and a little metal part that splices into the wire. So we get it to the wire, and as we close it, it splices into the line, and then we have this little opening for our wire going out. We just line up the wire, get our pliers, and we just close. That's it. Same thing on the driver's side. We'll line it up and we squeeze, and it should stay closed. Now that we splice into the line, we can use this line connector, and it just goes in here. That. Once the line is plugged in, we can go ahead and test our line, and looks like we have power, so we're good to go. For the white light of the light strip, I decided just to splice into the line just behind the headlight, and we can see it's going to be this one right here. That's where we have power. If you test this one, there's nothing there and nothing there. So one of these is the ground, the other one's for the high beams, but I'm just going to go with the regular low beams. So that's what we're going to splice into, this one. For the ground, I just hooked up a self-tapping screw with the line all the way down, and I connected it to the light bar. So I'm just going to attach it here. I'm not going to drill holes quite yet. I'm going to use the adhesive in the back and also a zip tie until I figure out if I want to leave it here or maybe move it in a different spot. But we can test it out. And we see the blinkers working fine, and the headlights are working. So when you have the headlights on, when the blinker's on, then the white light turns off. Then when the blinker turns off, the white turns back on. So far so good. So that's it for now. I'm going to leave them like that, just using the adhesive and the zip tie in the middle. Not sure if I want to drill into the grill yet, but that's it for now. See you on the next one.